So I just did a little weeding in here. And oh yeah, look at that. That's the sort of stuff we're into now. And again, keeping up with the thinning is basically keeping up with the productivity. And that's important because look how small this little patch is. But if we do a good job of it, we're going to make sure that we plan the garden so that we can squeeze as many rotations in as possible. That's the way that we compensate for the lack of space, basically. And that's what we're coming away with just after a little thinning. Got a lot of nice carrots in here too, but I think I'll save them mostly for the winter. 1.5 pounds. We've been through snow, sleet, wind, and some pretty cold temperatures so far this year. The plants were able to boost their sugar content, and everything's holding up really well.